Welcome back to Hooknif. Today we are showcasing some incredible traditional fish cutting skills. We have a fresh large fish on the block and our expert in ready to show you have it done with precision and speed. Watch closely as we start with the initial prep. Notice the technique here. Every cut is intentional. In our traditional markets, the boti or the hook knife is the primary tool. It requires years of practice to master this level of accuracy. We are cleaning the scales and moving on to the filleting process. Look at how smoothly the blade guides through. This is pure craftsmanship. And there you have it, perfectly sliced and ready for the kitchen. If you enjoyed watching this traditional skill, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Hooknif for more amazing fish cutting videos and traditional techniques. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.